God damn it. Why are we handcuffed together?
I have no idea. Unlock these so we can never speak of whatever the hell happened here again.
Well, why would I have the keys?
Well, I don't have them. Okay, think.
Maybe you should leave that up to me.
Oh, yeah, because you're so much smarter.
Your words. Okay, we should retrace our steps from last night and find the key that way.
What's the last thing you remember?
A lot of that.
You remember getting that shiner?
What?
I'm sure you just fell on your face.
Oh, 'cause I can't take a punch?
Your words.
Maybe Jack has the key.
That girl with the braids? What makes you think that?
Just a feeling.